pretty snowy out here, Carl, isn't it?
I can't wait to wake up tomorrow and not be able to open the door.
You better hope that they're actually snow actually come.
I know, right?
Coco, how you feeling about this blizzard? Mary, how you feeling about this blizzard?
I'm feeling great.
Did you see outside? It's like we can't even open the door. Tina, how do you feel about the blizzard?
It's, oh my god, a godsend and a curse at the same time.
Okay. Oh my god.
Good morning, fellow YouTubers. It's snowy today.
Okay, action.
There you go.
Look at this large stack of pancakes that Coco's missing.
Welcome. Good
Nice of you to join us, Coco.
I feel like
Are you sure?
yeah.
It's been like a half hour.
Now I'm ready to do battle against the elements.
Are you gonna wear a scarf?
That is so cool.
There we go.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
So cool.
All right, Reedy, go potty.
Girl, go potty.
I told you, now we're not going to be able to
Go
get this
potty,
one
Reedy.
shot.
Go play frisbee.
Jim, come on, you can't.
Oh. Carl.
You got to get him back in.
Good boy.
Where his leash is.
And he's gonna fall.
He's stuck.
Yeah, I think he's gonna run away anyway.
He would.
We have to run after him and it would be very hard.
We're making some Apollo Dean snow ice cream. Good. Alright, Paula, don't fail us now.
Here's our snow ice cream. It's really, really good.
Really, really good.
Yay. Uh-oh, look, it's like filling a door imprint. What do we do? Do we just peace out?
I don't know.
Windy.